need to get some sort of thing so this plant goes onto it, a trellis of some sort.
Oh, yeah.
Rather than onto the roof and onto the...
Yeah. I have some trellis in the side yard.
Yeah.
I want to bump this fence out a couple feet, or like a foot or so. And then there'll be like a little shelf thing right there.
Uh-huh.
And then it'll go like this, and then kind of in a little bit for the gate. But then have like a thing, like it's kind of like a bench or something.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Put some flowers right there, too.
Yeah, all these flowers and plants, and then have a plant on each side of the garage door.
Mm-hmm. But we need a thing that waters them automatically.
Yeah, or whatever. And then I wanted to put either a window box or something in front of my window out there, or something, but we need to have two tall kind of tree bushes growing up.
Mm-hmm.
Because how that window's offset, and that the whole part of the house is like crap, you know.
Yeah.
This is so they have so many like.
You ever watch that Cloverfield?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Gosh, it's amazing what they
I look at it, and I look at all the other houses too when I drive around, and I'm like, man, these houses just look so clean, and everybody's houses that I go to, you don't see like crap everywhere. They don't collect shit, you know? You know, at least they have a place for it. They have a lot of stuff, but people have places for it, you know?
I did one time.
You know, but whatever, you know, that's not good.
Well, there's things that mean things to me.
I don't know, but you want to live in the past?
Yeah. Well, I thought it sucks. Alright, no, I know, but I had a good past. I had a few children, and no.
To a point, I think it does. It's not, you know, it's got a lot of potential, but it's really crap.
We need to do something. We can use it. You and I should do something with ourselves. We can get ourselves out of this stuff.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying.
I'd love to see this big stuff out here so we could sit out here and
that's what, you know,
sit out and have a cigarette.
that's what I'm saying. I'm not getting any help. Well, walk down through those things, you know, everybody,
Yeah.
that's an idea. Everyone, you know, so I don't think Walt knows what he wants, you know, what should be done here.
Well, I'll just,
Our little fence pathway right there, and, you know, I'm going to take all those boards up and put some footings down below and block it all off and make it drain that way, and put some rain gutters up along here.
yeah. I'd like to have something that we could take and pull across it if you
Well,
want.
that's what I want to do also, is have a thing that goes from that seat across, and it just, you know, so I just have to get like a special track and make like these little brackets with those bearing things in there, and then either get a sewing machine or have somebody make that steel.
I saw a thing where you get just the brass thing, you know, you just hammer the brass.
I can get those at Barber Place Tools. They have a kit for them, and you just count them on the thing.
I saw me
They
that.
go over the stuff and make it, you know.
Yeah, I saw her on some burlap bag stretching curtains, and it looked hot. They had a piece of pipe, and out of that they threaded some, they were going for something looking industrial, and they had the pipe, and then they put chain link stuff, not chain link, but cable, whatever kind of chain in there, and then they set it up, and the chain came up, and they hooked it on something,